Hello my lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Thank you for clicking and tuning into today's video. I do appreciate it. Hope you guys are all doing well. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys some of my favorite things I've enjoyed this past summer. I know we are in the month of September and the weather is still pretty much nice. But for the summer season, these are some things that I really enjoyed. And we are going to start with my own brand of lashes. My name is Odette and I am the face behind Starlashesbyodette. I've enjoyed wearing Chance, Joy, Faith, Romeo, Just Girly. I am wearing Chance on my eyes today. You have already seen this picture on Instagram. The lashes are beautiful, they're gorgeous, they make your eye look so absolutely special. Love them. All of the ordering details will be down below. $11.99 for 2 of them. You're not going to get 1 box, you're going to be getting 2 boxes. And all of the details, like I said, is all of the details are in the description box below, and payments are done through PayPal. The lashes are beautiful, and of course, my loves, I really would appreciate your support and I thank you in advance. The next thing we're going to talk about is this Sigma switch. You need this in your life. This is a brush cleaner. If you are just starting out a YouTube channel and you don't have a lot of brushes, if you're doing beauty videos, this is what you need in your life. You need to get a few key pieces of things that will help you through until you're ready to get more things in your collection. If you are a makeup artist, this is for you. You can use this wet if you are washing your brushes, because I put this in the sink. I put my Cream of Nature shampoo on top when I wash my brushes as usual. But if you are doing makeup and you have your brushes with you, let's say for example you forgot to get or to bring with you a few blender brushes, all you have to do is rub the brush on the Sigma switch and all of the makeup is going to come off, all of the foundation, and you can just go ahead and use this brush and apply. And this is just my powder here. I already have, I think, blush or something on here, and I'm just going to use the same brush and apply my powder, and the colors are not going to transfer. If you're using, let's say, a red a red blush on here, and you just want to use the same brush for something else, all you have to do is just get your Sigma switch, rub your brush on here. You can rub it to the front, you can rub it to the back, it's the same thing, and the brush is going to be clean. It's gonna be a little brown, but that doesn't mean anything. It means that your brush is clean, and you can dip this into another color. You do need this in your life. It is an ingenious product. And I know HD Signature, you had asked about this and I had sent you the link, and I hope you can get a chance to get one because you are a gorgeous makeup artist. Okay? Very, very, very good buy. I highly recommend this for you guys, seriously. Next, we are going to talk about these pens. These are my pens that I've enjoyed using. I've been testing these out. These pens are black eyeliners and they are also lash glue as well. And you guys would have seen how I use these pens. I would link the video somewhere for you guys. I do have them in black. This one is a blue one. And I do have these here, and I'm going to be putting these to market very, very soon because I enjoyed using them. I tested all of them out because I wanted to make sure that I didn't have any irritations on my eyes. I didn't have any scratches, any itches, any watery eyes. I didn't really want to put these to market without testing them out first, and they did perform well. I do have the red, the black, the red. This is a blue ink, and I do have the bling. And every time I have anything that's bling, I think of Simply Dini. I don't know why. Every time I see bling, because she's a bling queen. She loves her glitter. She loves her blings. And so I've tested all of these out, and I'm really happy with the performance. And I am going to be doing a giveaway soon, and I would be adding 1 or 2 of these into that package. And there we be. Another thing I've enjoyed wearing this summer, guys, are these lip glosses. These are from Tarte. You would have seen the unboxing not too long ago. These are the lip gloss ornaments, and this one, let me just see if I can see the name. This one is called Twinkle. This is called I don't have my glasses, I think it's called Cuddle. This one is Milk and Cookies, and this one is called Snowflakes. They are really lovely lip glosses. I am wearing one of them on my lips today. They are so beautiful, very, very hydrating, and it gives your lips a lovely gloss, which I really love. And I went in with this Revolution Exempt lip liner just to give it a little bit of color, but I do love these lip gloss ornaments, and I would link the video in the description box for you guys. You can give these as gifts. We are in the month of September, October, November, December. Right around the corner. This is a really good time to be shopping for Christmas presents, and these will be absolutely perfect for Christmas gifts. They are absolutely gorgeous. It looks like a teardrop type of look, and there we go. They are beautiful. And I love wearing this red lipstick from Morphe. This is Vanny Gregg by Morphe, and this is called Yes Red. Perfect lip combination. The red lip liner is absolutely perfect for this lipstick, and I had done a video wearing this lipstick for you guys, and it is a really good good buy. It's a good combination, great. It comes in a lovely kit, and this is from Morphe, and I love it. I mentioned the red lipstick from Becca called Fun, and I was really worried that I was never gonna find a red lip liner like that again, but I think this one is really close, if not perfect, just in case I run out of that one. But this combination is really recommended for you. It's a beautiful, perfect red. All skin tones can wear this. And of course, this is the lip balm from Tarte. This came in my unboxing the other day. And this is a lovely lip balm, and it smells wonderful. There we go. It has a lovely peppermint smell to it. It is so lovely. I love the packaging, and I just love using this. You can travel with this, keep this in your pocketbook, keep this in your bathroom, in your guest bathroom, give it as a gift as well. It is that kind of thing you can give as a gift in a beautiful little package with a bow. I would love to receive this as a gift. And like I said, Christmas is just around the corner, and these are great gift ideas. Again, this is from Tarte, and the name of this is going to be down in the description box for you guys. And let's talk about foundation. I've enjoyed these foundation this summer. You would have seen me do some looks on these. This is from Morphe. These two are the Soft Focus Foundation 1023 and 1021. Beautiful foundation, perfect for my skin. And this is also from Morphe F390. Beautiful foundation. You would have already seen a makeup look with this one as well. Love it. And let's talk about Fenty Beauty. My cleanser is finished, and I'm left with the toner and the moisturizer. If you want to have those pimples, those dark spots disappear from your face in about 3 days, you need this product in your life. And this is just the mini size. You always find when you have a mini size of a cleanser, toner, and moisturizer, the cleanser always finishes first. But I'm going to be definitely getting the cleanser again. I recommend it to Ibi Osho to get the cleanser because she was having some breakouts on her skin. It is a really good product. I mean, you know, sometimes when you have that pimple that's coming up on your skin and it's hard to make that pimple go away, or it hurts, you need this. It's going to definitely help. Next, we're going to talk about this hand and nail cream. This is from MAsam. You guys would have seen me talk about this hand and nail cream before. I love the MAsam skincare products. All you need is a little bit in your hand, and you just massage this over and over again in between the nails, in between the fingers, and it really helps to make your hand feels really good. My nails go through emotions all the time. They get to a certain length and then they break. And I find with this one, it really helps to keep my nails nice and healthy. And if I wash my hands, because first of all, I just put a little bit on, and my hands feel so buttery soft. And if I'm doing any housework or doing anything and I go wash my hands I feel will still be soft. It's just really weird. I just love it. And keep this in your bag, travel with it, take this wherever you go. It is a really good one. Highly recommend it for you guys as well. And next we're going to talk about this setting powder. This is from Bakerie. This came in my Boxy Charm box. Bitter, not better setting powder. I like this. It's not too yellow, not too white. Of course, there's always a bit of a flyaway for setting powders. And this just gives me exactly what I need under my eyes when I put a little bit of concealer on, because you guys know that I don't go in with too many things on my face. Just a little bit set under my eyes and I'm good to go. I'm not wearing this today, but this is really good. I like it. And it's just a good size. It doesn't have to be too big or too much of a chunky tub. This is just like a good size and I do like that. Next we will talk about this facial cleanser. This is from Revolution. This is a Revolution cleansing gel with niacinamide and removes makeup, oil and dirt, helps to modify and refresh the skin. I like it. This really helps my skin to feel just like the cleanser from Fenty Beauty. I'm not quite sure if the consistency of this is similar, but my face feels really, really cleansed when I use this. And I don't really have to go in with any facial scrub, but my skin just feels really good. So I'm trying this one out and I like it a lot. And last but not least, we are going to talk about these cleansing wipes. These are from Simple Kind to Skin. This is clean beauty, cruelty-free, all skin types, no harsh chemicals, removes waterproof mascara. I honestly believe when all else fails for me, I always go back to Simple Kind to Skin. I think it's one of the best skincare lines ever. And because it's, again, clean beauty, no parabens, no dyes, no chemicals, no alcohol, nothing to dry your skin out. Very, very, very gentle on your skin, especially if you do have sensitive skin. And I really do enjoy using this one. I love using the Tea Tree brand. This is from Superdrug. If you live in London, if you go to Superdrug, you will find these. But you can get these in your drugstore or beauty supply store, wherever you go. But I do always like to have something from Simple Kind to Skin in my skincare routine. This is really, really nice. When I'm taking off my makeup, I always make sure that I go all the way in between my eyelashes to remove the glues. It's going to really soften the glues to make it peel off, because sometimes when you take your lashes off, you do have that little bit extra of glue stuck in your eyes. Just take your time, use these wipes, and it's going to definitely work for you. It is a good one. Simple Kind of Skin, one of the best skincare lines I have ever used, really. It is good because it is Simple Kind of Skin. And so these are all of my goodies that I want to share with you guys today for my summer loves. Like I said, I do have so many more things that I have used for the summer, skincare, makeup, body sprays and all of that. But these are just some of the key ones I wanted to share with you guys. I'm going to leave everything down below in the description box for you guys. And I do hope you've enjoyed today's video. Leave me your comments below, sound off below. Let me know what you think of this video today. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette, and I shall see you next time. Toodles!